Hello. Okay, we are live. Hopefully, you guys can see me. Um, so the time is 9:45, and we are in the Asian session. Let me just try to go ahead and give you my entire screen. Hopefully, this is it. We're sharing the screen. Okay, let's see. All right, you guys can see my screen. Okay, so it's a bit of a red day. I took a couple of trades. I will right now show you the trades that I took. Let's go here. I want to show you the trades. Was it the best? I don't think so. But was it there? Yes. Was it part of the plan? Yes. I don't mind the trades that I took there. What the hell is all this nonsense? Come on, Top Step. You guys need to do better, okay? Like, what the hell are you guys doing? Whenever I click this, the entire thing goes fucking nuts. And now I have to like sit here and close this one. My computer just starts like buffering. What's going on here? Why is this so much delay? Fuck's sake. Try closing this. Maybe Chat GPT is taking too much memory. I don't need the time of sales. This is fucking bullshit, guys. Sometimes you gotta wait, right? Patience, patience, patience. I'm gonna drink some water. Okay, so where's my order? Why is it not showing? Come on. All right, better. So let me show you what's going on, okay? Let me show you what we are doing. Come on. What are we doing? I'm sorry. Actually, I'm not even fucking sorry. Because I have all the time. Anyways, hopefully this works at least now. Because I have time. I don't know if you guys have time, but I have time. I'm just gonna do this. Come on. Okay. So we're short gold. We're short here to the first short at 45.73. My cover was at 45.67, which was somewhere up around 65, 66, around here, right? Reason why I covered was because we broke this. I was having a stop here. I just got stopped out. Okay. And my second short is right now over here. As you can see, we're currently short here. We covered basically if this shows this, it means that we covered in this candle. And we're short again, 45.61.9. That's right here. And I took a trade on the Nasdaq. That was a long. I got stopped out of that as well. That's the loss that you see over here. And we're currently sitting, in this trade. I don't know, just have a very small position. It's just one contract. And yeah, we're just I just want to see, man. See, man. I don't know. Anyways, focus. Okay. So gold is doing its thing, right? Now, something that I want to talk about this week is a very important week. These are some trades that I took last week. Yeah, you can see I'm doing some shit over there. Anyways, very important week, like I said. Let me get rid of all my executions because I don't want to see it. I was in trouble. I was in trouble to myself because I want to see my charts, right? I want to see what the hell the charts look like. So, what I was trying to say was, I don't know. I don't know if this is even recording at this point because this is really slow for some reason. This is fake, by the way. And my target is not here. My target is going to be, if we clear this and I see buying come from here, I'm just going to cover it, letting you know right now. So this week we have SpaceX IPO. Let's see. SpaceX IPO. This is very important. I don't know if you guys pay attention to all this shit, but this is the IPO. Guys, this is one of the most important things in the entire Nasdaq. They have I'm not gonna talk much, okay? Okay, what the hell? Come on, Globe Mail. Okay, it prepares for a $1.8 trillion public offering, an IPO for 1.8 trillion. I'm telling you, When I tell you this, they changed a lot of rules for this IPO. If you go and see, let's actually go into ChatGPT, okay? No, not ChatGPT. I guess let's do Chat. Let's do Gemini. Let's do Gemini. You know why I want to do Gemini? Because my workplace uses Gemini. I like Gemini for some reason. I just like the way it gives you answers compared to okay. So let's see. I heard that SpaceX. Come on, man. IPO. So just stay with me, okay? I'm going to show you something. Is happening this week. What? Come on. What are the rules that were bent for it to happen? I know things changed. So I read something online. I don't remember exactly what it was, but I know something. Let's see what the open source actually gives us, okay? Because I know if you go behind this, you're definitely gonna see something. So it says your instincts are spot on, the valve sound okay, blah blah blah. Okay, okay, here we go. Fast tracking the rules. They basically said, hey, you don't need to do all this shit. There's no seasoning period. Go in directly to the Nasdaq 100. Okay, it's not like you're not going to go into a small thing. You're going to big player itself. Okay. Corporate governance and total control. Public companies are supposed to be accountable to their shareholders. However, SpaceX S1 filings utilizes a corporate structure designed to ensure Elon retains absolute authority. So it's basically not going to be under the corporate board, okay? The pivot on forced arbitration. Arbitration. Okay. My tongue. Anyways, the major point of friction for shareholder advocacy groups is the inclusion of mandatory arbitration provisions and severe limits on derivative actions. Okay. Whatever the hell that meant, all I know is they're bending the rules. For this, I understand. Okay, it's Elon Musk company, one of the billionaires, of course, 100%. There's a Musk ecosystem roll up. Whatever, either which ways, a 75 billion SpaceX capital raise is currently on track. So before even it got publicly, like IPO'd, they're trying to raise 75 billion, which is huge. That is fucking crazy. I'm telling you guys, this is unprecedented time. So once this happens, and this is happening on June 5th, June 5th is basically, where's my calendar? Friday. Come Monday, I'm telling you, come Monday, this is going to be nuts. Okay, my lights just went off. I don't care. Hopefully, things are okay here. I don't know what the hell is happening in the gold, but okay. So, anyways, let me try to get on my lights back. Hopefully, the lights come back soon. Somewhere in the apartment. As of now, I'm sitting in the dark. Can we have the lights on, please? Yes. Any light that can be a little bit of light. Yes, no? Okay, perfect. We have some light. Do we have lighting? No. Let me have the other switch as well. Let's put it on. Okay, there we go. It's a bit too bright, but fuck it. What can I tell you? It is what it is. Yeah, it's a bit too bright. So maybe we'll have some. Anyways, it doesn't matter. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna change things up a bit. Anyways, I lost track because I lost light. Yeah, it's okay. We'll stick with this for now. The only thing is, okay. So I'm being distracted right now. Am I being distracted? I am being distracted. Yes. Because it is very okay. You know what? For the rest of the stream, this is how it's going to be. Anyways, let's go back into what we're talking about. So June 5th is when it's Friday. So the coming Monday, we're going to have a lot of action in the market. Either which ways, I hope for the best. Now, for gold, my analysis, like I'm always still looking at the short, just the way the market is forming. Last week, I was looking at longs. Once we cleared up, I told if you go back into my video, my live stream, you'd see that I talked about a red line. Okay, the red line was this one right here. If we went, I was short first, and then once we went above it, I went long. I didn't take the trade, but the long would have been nice. So it is what it is. That being said, like I said, so Elon is doing that. Trump is doing something with the markets itself. So if we go Trump and Iran war, latest news, I'm just looking at the headlines. Okay, I'm not going to go deep into it. So you can see he's trying to strike a deal. Ever since this man started talking about the deal, the price of oil started dropping. I was actually quite happy because I literally saw the price of oil drop for the first time in a very long time. It's a Drake song, by the way. First time in a long time. Anywho, I don't know what the hell is wrong with Top Step, but something needs to be actually fixed. So we're sitting at $90 per barrel on crude, but this was where the price was at 86. Can you believe that? I should have filled gas yesterday instead of waiting for the next day, because right now it's at 90. 86 was yesterday. Now it's at 90. So if I go and fill tomorrow, it's still gonna be expensive. So what the fuck? Anyways, it doesn't matter. It's gonna come down though. It's still gonna come down, and we're gonna fill, and we're gonna be good. It's gonna be nice. So Trump's happening, SpaceX is happening. We have certain events happening as well towards the end of the week. I think it's on a Friday again. We have, what's it called? Is it it's not I know it's not FOMC, but it's some sort of rate. Okay, we're testing the red line again. So we'll see how it went. But let's go back into the calendar. What was I gonna type? Forex Factory. Where's Forex Factory? Okay, come on. Forex Factory. Gold is hovering. Doesn't matter. So let's go to the news. I'm going to show you exactly what I was talking about. Holy shit, this is bright as hell. Okay, so this Friday we have news coming out. I don't know if you're going to find it in this. Let's see what this says. June monthly. Everyone knows the war has reignited again. What is that talking about? I don't know what this guy's talking about, but all I can tell you is that if it goes, yeah, you can see news here about the IPO and shit that we were talking about recently. So we're still again, it's almost 10. We're still with that red line of mine, but we'll see what happens. I'm not too optimistic about this. That's because of the way the market has been reacting. Price could literally bounce from this point and literally head back up. So am I willing to give it that much? No. I'm just gonna keep it at break even. And if we break through, well and good. If not, we'll call it. It's almost 10. It's past my bedtime. I should be sleeping by now, but I'm still here. It's okay. Anyways, I think that's about it. So it's right now it's 10. The 10 o'clock candle must have just opened right there. That's not the best place to open a 10 o'clock candle, because this red line right here is where I was trying to go short last week, and this was here, right when the market just literally pulled back up. So if we have the same amount of buyers here, this is a level we can see. If we don't, then and we fail to hold this, we could literally head right back down. So it's going to be quite interesting to see what the market does here. That being said, this is the end of my live session. I will see myself tomorrow with tomorrow's analysis and tomorrow's trades. If this is either going to be a break-even trade, or if this continues to drop, well, all I can say is well and good, but we'll see what happens. Anyways, see ya.